Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, we are going to get into the Black Friday special lifetime deals from Early Bird. There are so many lifetime deals available here, so I wanted to create a video to share my overall opinion and what I think about each of this tool. So this is the video. So I will give both affiliate and non-affiliate link in the description. If you wish to support me, you can check out this deal by my affiliate link. And if you purchase something, I will get a small commission. If you do not wish to support me also, there is a non-referral link. You can check out the deals via that link as well. Okay, let me go one by one. First, like in case if you're interested in some deals, there is a BF20 offer. So you can get an additional 20% discount on any of this deal as well. So let me go one by one. So I'm using Comet browser from Perplexity. So what I did was I like I took a summarized option as well. So I can explain the deals. First, we have something called HipDeck. HipDeck, I have planned a dedicated video on this, so it will be coming soon. There is a problem with Canva integrations right now, so that founder is on our community and he was explaining. So I'm waiting until that to fix it, record the video. I will go with it and let you know the issue in the video itself. It is a digital signage solution, cloud based. Any screen supports either browser or Android TV, where you can just insert integration settings and create digital signage. You can manage everything from designing like in a Canva environment. So that is the power. So it will be really useful for businesses, schools, where they don't want an expensive solution or hardware setups to do digital signage, show their menu, offerings, and everything. Here it's just a Canva based recording option as well. So what it does, it helps you transform any screens into digital signage. It gives you centralized remote management, playlist, schedule, different slides, all those options are available, and you can bring content from creating your own images, video, YouTube content, popular RSS feed, popular news sources, YouTube video to dimension YouTube video, Canvas. There are several integrations and reliable offline playback support. It might be interesting for business owners who wish to display information through their app TV itself. My plan is to test out the same procedure, and I will also try to connect to a TV to see how effective it is. So that is tech. Then we have something called ZapDigits. ZapDigit, what it's trying to do is bringing data from all the different places into one single dashboard to create nice looking dashboards to see the data. So again, this might tool not be relevant or needed for everyone. For me, like I'm just a guy who like to see the data as it is. So I don't mind logging into different tools to see all the data. And if I want, I can just like if I want to make something presentable, I just export the data and go into Claude of GenSpark and generate a nice looking report, and it works fine for me. If you want to bring a lot of data sources into the one single report dashboard, which is a no code platform and gives the data in a much more presentable way from meta ads to SEO, LLM analysis, then this tool might be relevant for you. For me, I don't go this route, so this is out of my expertise. The goal here is to give you the analytics from a GDPR compliant standpoint with a privacy focused, and it gives you a smart no code dashboards which helps you to instantly generate dashboards connecting different data sources. It also has automated SEO and LLM auditing features. This is the only thing personally which interests me to see how it is effective. I might test it out. It also has multi-project projection and collaboration. That is what their digits does. Basically, it's a privacy-focused business intelligence report dashboard, which can see a lot of data in one single place without technical knowledge. Buzzabout. This is one of the tool which personally interests me because I feel the moving forward, these kind of tool will play a huge role, especially with AI development. What this tool essentially tries to do is it is a AI powered social listening platform. So what happens here is it to be analyzing all the social media contents, focusing on to identify the trends, sentimental shift, audience behavior, and strategic marketing. So this is very interesting because we can find so many good information. At least that's what I'm hoping to find. I'm going to be testing this tool for in-depth dedicated video reviews. If it does what it claims, will be a really powerful tool because it says the keyword research, competitive analysis, content optimization, renaissance scoring, sentiment analytics, and all these things. And it also works with Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and I'm not totally sure about Reddit. I need to check it because recently Reddit API was having some new changes. Even Gummy Search is not like it is one of the popular Reddit app. Now it's not working, I think. So I need to recheck it. This tool will give you real-time audience insights based on social media conversion. It can be a basic tool or a really good advanced tool. I'll let you know after I start checking out this tool and create an in-depth dedicated video as well. So that is buzz about. Then we have MyFUNDBOX. What this is, it's not definitely not needed for everyone. It might be interesting for people who are sellers or who sell digital stuff. It's not a separate payment gate. Instead, it creates platform where you can connect multiple payment gateway and it gives you a better control over all the things you can have. So you can see currently it's unifying payment gateway integration with 25 different payment gateways support, supports recurring billing and invoicing. And there is something called dunning management. What they are claiming is they are trying recovering around 20 to 30% failed payment using automated retry logic, targeted notification, and customized to minimize revenue loss. That is a good feature if they are like it is work as they are claiming because that itself will be a huge return on investment for many customers. Then also they have a customer service for self-service portal, real-time analytics, and the scalability. So I'm just reading and I'm also explaining the concept to you to give you an idea, but I never used this kind of service in my life. My experience has been at commerce or public subscription. Then we have PopHop. Pop, it's like a community. Like you heard about school community, circle community. There are two major issues in my opinion. One, if we are creating a community in a private software, sometimes we are trusting on that software. So if there's anything happens to that software, we are going to be losing that community as well. Because from my experience, I remember I purchased a Stack LTD on Peerboard. It was a really good community platform. This company went bankrupt and I lost the community and the platform itself. It is going to be dependent on the product, the community, because there are so many success one as well. For example, school, circle.so and everything. Again, it is a community where it's a paywall community, chat, paid course, job payment. If they at least go like I'm not saying that they will go bankrupt, just letting you know the possibilities, one possibility that can happen, that happens must be ready to export the data and move it to a different platform. Otherwise, having this private community very helpful. You might think, why not simply create a Facebook? Because we do have a group, our community have around 7,500 members or something like that. But with the public, you are not building everything your own control. You are essentially renting on someone's platform anytime, anywhere. You can go away in an instant. I have seen so many instances where the account deleted, Facebook pages, even Facebook group owners know that reach is not the same as it used to be. We can't put YouTube links, the reach is going to be massively increased. People can advertise within the Facebook groups and everything. So there are negatives with the big platforms like Discord, Facebook, all those things as well. It's everyone's perspective. Both have advantages and disadvantages. You need to see for yourself which is the correct way. This particular pop-up is offering. You can launch a free or paid community. You can integrate chat rooms, content feeds, LMS is there, so we can build a course around it, boards, payment analytics, and also I'll try to look into as well, to be honest, because I'm also planning to create a course, so maybe this might be a good centralized place for that. Next, we have something called Curation AI. This is a unique concept, at least in my way. We rather in traditional way, if we want to find leads, what we essentially do is we go after a tool or a database, then filter. What we are asking to this tool to do is we are chatting with something like an AI interface where we say, this is our target audience, this is my need, this is the leads I am looking for. Then, based on those database, it's not going and finding those data for you. So, it's reverse approach here as well. So, if it works, it will be really good because the problem with most of the databases which they have, like, will have a huge database, but it might not have the necessary data for every single customer. If you can define all these things, then the AI goes and finds the data for you. Then the tool comes up with data. Then there are really good chances the data you are getting also very accurate. So that will be interesting tool to check it out. I'll try to create a dedicated video in here as well. So it is a very good tool for B2B lead generation, customizable filter and taxonomy, AI data enrichment options are available, specialized AI agent and integrations are available. Those are the features of curation. Then we have something called Wauld. This platform will help you to create digital certificates. So, based on doing a course or any curriculum, you want to offer a certificate which is verifiable. This is the platform which might be interested to you. So, the features is like, I personally haven't any digital certification generation so far. So I can't comment on the positives, negatives, and everything. But if you wish to have something like this, like an academic style, this is something you might want to check it out as well. So the features comes with end-to-end platform for verifiable digital credentials, design management features, instant QR verification, wallet advanced engagement analytics, multi workspace and bulk management for teams and agencies. So that is Wall. Then we have something called iSpeech. Out of EarlyBird, this is the simplest tool. It's just a very simple one-page tool. Basically, you give out the text, it automatically will convert that human text language. It might sound simple, but for some people, it might be everything they need. Remember, you can still do this with Notebook, Google LLM for a certain extent, but if you want advanced control, you might be interested in it. My suggestion, compare with iSpeech and see for yourself whether you need it or not. That will be a good start point. It helps you to create a text to speech engine, multi language, and voice selection. It supports around 32 different languages and offer a range of male and female voices. We can also customize brand voices and flexible audio customization. Easy usage, very easy to start using it. That is what iSpeech lifetime layer is about. Then we have something called LexFlow. LexFlow, what it is claiming to be is it is a AI powered legal contract platform. So if you want to have a contracts, you want to have digital e-signatures, like I'm a Plutio user, I got the lifetime deal early in the time. We have digital proposals within that. It is a e-signature stuff. So for our digital marketing stuff and everything, we can easily send to the audience to get signed and everything. So similar with that, LexFlow, you can have a AI-powered legal contract platform, get started easily, plain language explanation to simplify the complex legal jargon, integrate e-signatures and management, extensive legal template library. All those things are available within this. Next, we have something called Live Portal. Live Portal is like a video conferencing platform. You can create a brandable and customizable portal for your needs. So you can match your own brand, you get real-time engagement features, run live meetings with built-in CHI, file sharing embedded, and for 24/7 showcase portal, white label, all these things. I don't have enough experience on this to explain it to you very clearly. I'm just been a user of Google Meet and Zoom. I do have some experience with social media streaming, but that is different from here. Next, we have Known. This is a personal interest to me. Any SEO tool or AI SEO tool is a personal interest to me. And I'm planning to check this tool in depth. I will have a much more in-depth knowledge because we know it's hype, to be honest. AI SEO is not replaced the traditional SEO, but everything is moving towards AI SEO. SEO is no longer search engine optimization, is it's search anywhere optimization. It's a visual game card. Known as a specialized content performance tracker to see how well your brand and domain is performing across the AI models, like AI search engine. So will give you the necessary data into your SEO on the AI platform also. And see, so it tracks AI content visibility, the analytics in a unified dashboard, and optimization, recommendation, competitive intelligence analytics, and also reporting and audience fit as well. So that is known, and I will do a in-depth walkthrough here as well. Then we have something called Rectify. It is not for everyone. It is for software developers and development people wish to have a technical debugging tool to see how combining visual debugging, code scanning, and all this thing. It is definitely not for everyone. Even I am not going to be using because I'm not on a development stage here as well. But for technical people who wish to use AI tools, have a unified development debugging tool, then it will be very useful because it powers with AI powered development workspace. They have visual debugging, code quality analysis, uptime monitoring, customer support, visual debugging, and session replays are available. Comprehensive code and infrastructure monitoring, AI support management, and developer productive. So those are the Black Friday deals to the early bird right now. There are some more deals I think also will come. You can click on the links on the description. You can check it out. If any of this tool is interested to you, check out and learn about it. Do not just buy any deals. Make sure that it is relevant to you and it's actually useful to you. Then go and purchase that deal for yourself. And I noted down few deals. I will be doing an in-depth review for those tools as well. Once again, thank you so much and have a